Hello everyone, I'm Kyle Pabroa Karang, a BSIT student. I am here to present my Java tutorial, and I chose my program on making the looping. So before I go to the tutorial, uh, I just wanted to share my learnings about it.
Here's my program. I selected this project since it is the outcome of what I have learned about it. I decided on if else. So in this part, if and else, since it will decide depending on what user inputs. However, switch statements are also an option, though they are more complex. I select the for loop, this part, the for loop, because I ask the user how frequently he wants to send prints back to the program. In method, I merely called him out of the driver class to make him simpler and cleaner, so I don't have to re-implement a certain code. 1D array. Since it is only requires one array. However, a 2D array, this subject, before, writing and understanding code was difficult. Now that I've mastered the fundamentals of Java, I can easily create a Java program. I wish we had more time to learn more, like other OOP in Java. Recommendations for future programmer. To add more functions like money, conversation, function, binary, MP5, base 64, conversion, and Morse code conversion for advanced features. So as you can see here, I have my public class main. So this is the output, this one. Static string 1 and static string 10. So I have two variables, the 1 and the 10. So static string 1, then do these symbols, this one. Then the elements of static string 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on and so forth. Then the next is static string 10. The elements are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So from this part, we are using if statement to determine the greatest and the lowest of the imputed value. Static string none to words. So I use static here, this part. I am using static here instead of instance. And then we use string data type because it is form of words that we use. We declare a variable name which is the num to words. So this one, the num to words. So from here, I am also using static string convert to words. So I am using here again string data type, but we declare a variable name of this convert to words. So from here we have the number num to words, and this string data type in this part is the variable name convert to words. So it is not we're not converting here from this part by number to words, but convert to words. So from here, as you can see, this num towards and having these variables from this part 10 million, from the second part the out plus is equal to num towards this part a 100,000, this part is, the variable is 1,000, and the last part is 100. So here in if statement, so n is greater than 100 and do the symbol, then n having 100% is greater than 0. So out is equal out plus this n. Then out plus num towards, then do this int, then n is equal to n and 100%. Then return. And in this part, the public static void main string args. So this is a loop statement. The data type that we use here is the int, because we want to get the user input on how many repetition. We print in the console stated that how many numbers do you want to convert after the users input it, directly store in a variable. So here, so I use for loop statement, it's because among all looping statement, this is the easiest and most commonly used by programmers. So in this part, public static void main string, so this is a loop, guys. So this is a loop. So int counter scanner sc new scanner open parenthesis system.in and close parenthesis, the symbol out, system.out print ln. So this part I was just pointing the variable in this part. So the variable in this part is please input how many numbers you want to convert. Then the next part is int I. So we are searching for the I is equal to sc. Next int. Then the next is for, or for the for loop. And counter is equal to 0. Counter is less than I. Then the counter, then plus and close parenthesis. System.out print ln. So again, this part I am pointing the variable in this part. Enter the number, then the long n is equal to sc. That next long, then system.out print f, convert to words, and system.out print ln. So in some points, guys, or should I say this part and this part is, they are not the same, because in this part we are this part is num towards, so we're converting numbers to words, and in this part convert to words, so it means the numbers are converted to words. And here we try to run our project. So let's try. Please input how many numbers you want to convert. So from here, you will choose any numbers will do, and how many numbers you want to convert in the variables. So let's try for 3. I mean 4. Then it will appear the enter the number. Let's try another number. Let's try for 80. Enter the number again. Let's try for 12. enter the number. Let's try for 1000. Then enter the number again. Let's try for 90. So that's it. Build successful. So do you want to try again? So let's try again. Let's try another numbers. So please input how many numbers you want to convert again. So let's try for 1. Then it will appear. Enter the number. So let's try for 30. So yeah, that's it. It will indicate the 30, the word 30, and the number, because of this part. In this part, the num words means we are converting number to words. Here, convert to words. So that's it. Thank you guys